Where to find the best hotel breakfast in Bangkok? If breakfast is the meal you look forward to the most, you will love these hotel breakfasts in Bangkok. While the debate goes on about whether breakfast is the most important meal of the day or not, we love to just enjoy the expansive delicacies that these 5-star hotels around Bangkok offer first thing in the morning. The buffet line may vary from season to season, but the quality is always guaranteed. Mandarin Oriental Bangkok. For the ultimate riverside dining experience, the long-standing Mandarin Oriental Bangkok is one of the best choices for a good breakfast in Bangkok. In its spacious breakfast venue, the veranda, guests will find a wide range of Western and Asian dishes as well as special drinks and desserts. A large part of the venue is an outdoor space, so early birds will get to indulge in the international delicacies while the sun is still not so bright. The breakfast buffet takes place from 7 a.m. 10:30 a.m. on weekdays and 7 a.m. 11 a.m. on weekends, priced at 2001 Thai bahts net. Siam Kempinski Hotel Bangkok. Located in the center of the city, the breakfast at the Siam Kempinski Hotel Bangkok fuels your body for your day in the bustling Bangkok. The cozy venue of the Edition has everything from egg dishes, baked pastries, to sweet creations, spanning a vast variety of cuisines from continental favorites to Asian and even Middle Eastern delights. The breakfast buffet takes place from 6:30 a.m. 11 a.m. daily, priced at 1,283 Thai bahts net. Park Hyatt Bangkok. Enjoying the first meal of the day at the Park Hyatt Bangkok comes with a stunning view of Bangkok City. In the Embassy Room, breakfast is served with some must-try dishes like the signature croissant benedict, brioche French toast, pad mi korat, and many more. Guests can choose to dine on the al fresco terrace or in the dynamic open indoors. The park breakfast takes place from 6:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. daily, priced at 1,300 Thai bahts plus. Waldorf Astoria Bangkok. Hailed as one of the best breakfast spots in town, the brasserie at the Waldorf Astoria Bangkok serves an all-you-can-eat breakfast spread with a view of the Royal Bangkok Sports Club. Start with a Danish and a cup of coffee, and proceed to the classic Egg Benedict, which are claimed to have been invented at the Waldorf Astoria in New York. The breakfast buffet takes place from 6:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m., priced at 1,766 Thai bahts net. The Athene Hotel. Amidst the Thai neo-colonial decor of the Rain Tree Cafe, a delicious international breakfast buffet is served. Whether breakfast, lunch, dinner, or Sunday brunch, guests can indulge in really impressive gastronomic feasts here. Some signatures you need to try are the truffle beef tartar, red snapper ceviche, crepe Suzette, and a nitro ice cream. The breakfast buffet takes place from 6:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. daily, priced at THB 850.